Hello everybody and welcome to Key, Cam, and the Fam. Guys, today I am making this very complicated meal. No, it's not a complicated meal. Let me stop playing. Y'all remember when you all were kids or you had kids and used to make them pig in a blanket? Do you remember this recipe?
Yeah.
So we have some crescent rolls, hot dogs, and cheese. So we're going to open these crescent rolls up. And you have to gently pull them apart. And this is actually 8. So we're going to pull them apart because we're going to use 5 hot dogs. So we're only going to take what we need. And the rest of this dough, actually, you can freeze it.
Really?
Yes. Okay, so we just gonna hang them right there. And I'll put these back in here. So I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag. And when I make my chicken and dumplings, I'm gonna use the rest of them. Okay, so what you do, depending on how much cheese you want. We have our oven set at 350 degrees. So we're gonna open our pack of our pack of chicken. We're gonna open up our pack of hot dogs. And this only have to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we take our hot dog. We wrap our cheese around our hot dog. And you take the crescent roll. And you want it to wrap around the hot dog as well. Oops. Okay, I might have to use, because it's been so long since I've made this. Because we don't want the cheese to be melting out and stuff. We don't want that. But that's how it's supposed to look, guys. So we're gonna sit that one right there. We're gonna get us another piece of cheese. We're actually gonna use a half. We're gonna just use a half. We don't want it to be melting out everywhere. We don't want that. What you say, Cam?
See, I understand.
And I keep my hot dogs in the freezer, guys. And we just gonna roll it. Roll it. Oh, I was getting ready to start singing Tina Turner song. And if you have small kids, my kids are grown and my kids still love stuff like this. So
yes, we do.
They're big kids.
Yeah.
And you don't have to grease the pan, but of course I grease everything. I just make sure, but when you use crescent rolls, you don't have to grease the pan. And I just take my hot dogs and I just wrap them whichever direction you want to go. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. I think I want the one with all of the cheese in there. So we're gonna take this one. I think I'm gonna do 2 of them like that, because I like cheese.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave that right there. I'll take this hot dog and we're just gonna roll it. And then if you really, really want to, you could put like little faces on it. You could do different stuff. Kids love stuff like that.
Yeah.
I got grown kids.
I still love stuff like that.
And I was just about to say, and they still love stuff like that. So with this one right here, I'm not going to put.
That could be keys.
You know what? You're so right. So we're going to put these in here. And the ones that I put cheese, we'll sit these right here. So we're going to put this in the oven, guys, at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes and I will bring you guys back. Well guys, the timer just went off. And so we're going to take out our, oh my goodness, they look so good. Ooh. So guys, these are my crescent rolls and hot dogs known as pig in a blanket. So if you want to, you could take these out. You can put like little faces on them. You know, when your kids are young, I know I'm not the only parent that was decorating food.
No.
Am I the only parent that was doing stuff like that?
Oh, no.
So you can put little smiley faces on it with ketchup. You can do it with mustard. I have my ketchup and mustard sitting off to the side. You can dip it. As you can see guys, the cheese have melted, and this is a very quick, very quick meal around this time. You know what I'm saying? You want to do something that's fun for the kids. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I'm dropping videos. Also guys, go check out It's a Love Thing, Kaminator Gamez, Can React, and KEE'S Way in our reaction channel, KKTF. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!